NEET last year. My score in NEET 2019 was 369. So it was a big decision to make whether or not I had to take a gap year in order to pursue medicine. But I was sure with my decision that I wanted to go into the field of medicine, and my parents supported me a lot. And we came to know about Shaheen Falcon through our relatives. When we came here, we first met Abdul Subhan sir. He spoke with my parents and myself, and he assured us that I'd be able to perform much better with the guidance, with the right guidance of the teachers here. All the teachers at Shaheen Falcon guided me all the way through. They made sure that our concepts were grasped very perfectly. And if I had any doubt, any time, whenever I'd approach the teachers, they always helped me. They never hesitated in solving my doubts, and they made sure that my concepts were much more clearer than before. We had daily tests every day, so that helped us to grasp our concepts even more stronger. Then we had a full length test that is of 720 marks every Sunday.
I'm really glad to tell that I have scored so much marks because of only Shaheen's and my parents, and of course my hard work. The best part about Shaheen's Falcon College was the daily tests, and even if we would score low marks, then the teachers would solve our doubts, and they would even motivate us like to not get depressed and stuff. And then they also guided us through many sessions. They held many sessions which were very motivational, and of course thanks to Subhan sir, because if he wouldn't be there, then I wouldn't have believed in myself so much.
फिर असर से 2 घंटे पहले सो जाता था, फिर असर की नमाज़ पढ़कर फिर पढ़ना शुरू करता था. तो मोस्टली आई लेफ्ट ऑल माई एंटरटेनमेंट, ऑल सोशल मीडिया, यूट्यूब, ये सब छोड़ दिया था. सिर्फ पढ़ाई पर फोकस कर रहा था, क्योंकि ये 2 साल बहुत क्रूशल है मेरे लिए. इसमें मेहनत कर दिया तो इंशाल्लाह आगे की ज़िंदगी आसान हो जाएगी. ये एम रखते हुए मैं आगे बढ़ रहा था. I would like to thank my parents, my father, my sister. They helped me a lot, alhamdulillah. I have lot of support, not just college but at my home also. My parents were very supporting, and the main thing I feel all students should mainly focus on. If I talk about Muslim students, first they should be a good Muslim. Islam includes all education.
Falcon institutions. In the beginning, when I joined the institution, things were hard to me, things were unfamiliar for me. I was not able to cope up with the syllabus. Syllabus जो है 10th से काफ़ी अलग होता है, तो उसमें मैच करने थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है. शुरू में मैं थोड़ा डरा हुआ था. हालांकि मेरा 10th में अच्छा रिज़ल्ट आया था. आई वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट, बट सिलेबस देख के थोड़ा फ़िक्र थी. वैसे टाइम में डायरेक्टर सुभान सर ने मेरी हेल्प की. He personally came to me, he personally asked me, he personally took reviews from me. He asked me what changes would I like. I mean, it's just like it's a great thing. Nowhere we could find directors coming personally and meeting the students and asking their personal reviews. And that helped me a lot. He did everything what I wanted, everything required, he did. And alhamdulillah, today I got good results and I'm very happy for that.
रहे हैं कि दिस ईयर हमें करीब 75 मेडिकल सीट मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह. जो हमारा जो लास्ट ईयर का सक्सेस रेट रहा लॉन्ग टर्म का 51% सक्सेस रेट, ये फिर ये साल भी कोशिश रहेगी. आखिरी तक जो हमारा आखिरी काउंसलिंग राउंड रहेगा तब तक देखने पे मालूम होगा कि शायद हमें भरोसा है कि हम मोर देन 50%, 51% से ज़ायद सक्सेस रेट देके हिंदुस्तान का सबसे ज़्यादा सक्सेस रेट देने वाला इंस्टीट्यूशन बनेंगे.
कि बच्चों को आप चाहते हैं कि जो है वो भी कोई मेडिकल या कोई बड़े अच्छे सीट्स या कोई भी चीज़ आपको अचीव करना है, तो उनके लिए एक माहौल बनाइए. घर में एक माहौल और कॉलेज का माहौल. कॉलेज का माहौल है तो शाहीन कॉलेज, फाल्कन कॉलेज है, पीयूसी का है, वो देख लेगा. घर में भी जो है एक पढ़ाई का माहौल बनाइए, उनको अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी दीजिए ताकि जो है वो आगे बढ़ जाए. अभी जो है 500 के आसपास जो आ रहे हैं, और हम सारे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि इंशाल्लाह उसको कोई गवर्नमेंट सीट बेंगलुरु में ही मिल जाएगा.